Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to do applications and models. So in this section we're going to basically do examples of where we would apply everything we've learned in the previous sections in this chapter. So let's do this example one. So all we want to do is we want to use what we know to solve for all the sides and the angles of this right triangle. And what we know is it is a right triangle. Here's the right angle. It has, this angle is 34.1 degrees. No, 34.2. 34.2 degrees. Let me just confirm. Yep, so 34.2 degrees. And then our base, B, is 19.4. Okay, so let's use what we know. Now, we could solve, obviously we could solve for angle B, right? So angle B is easy because we know that all three of the interior angles of a triangle has to add up to 180 degrees. And this is 90, and we know these two, right? So all we have to do is to get angle B, we're going to take what? 180 degrees minus 34.2 degrees minus 90 degrees. Okay, and so that's going to give us what? 124.2. So 180 minus 124.2, which is going to give us 45.8, right? Yeah, 120. Oh, hold on. 50. 55.8, right? So 124. Yeah, 55.8 degrees is going to be the missing angle. So we know that one. So 55.8 degrees. All right, so we're done with the three angles. Now we just got to figure out the other two sides. Okay, we know this side. So let's use our trig functions to find A and C. So we know that we can relate these two sides, right? So we could use tangent. So tangent of what? Of 34.2 degrees. So make sure your calculator is in degree mode. Okay, is equal to opposite over adjacent, right? And so if we solve for A, right, that just means A is going to be equal to 19.4 times the tangent of 34.2 degrees. Okay, so again, what I would do is take the tangent of 34.2 degrees, multiply that by 19.4, and you get approximately 13.18. So approximately 13.18. All right, now, so that's going to be this one, approximately 13.18. Now, we do not want to use A in any subsequent calculations because we had to round it to 2 decimal places. Okay? They asked us to round it, each answer to 2 decimal places. But since this is a rounded answer, it's an estimate, we don't want to use that in any kind of calculation. So let's go back to using these. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use the same angle. Now we're going to use what? Cosine, right? Because then we know these two and we can solve for C. So we know that cosine of 34.2 degrees is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 19.4 over C. And now what we're going to do is we're going to solve for C And so C is going to equal 19.4 divided by the cosine of 34.2 degrees. Okay. And again, put that in your calculator, and you're going to get approximately 23.46. Rounded out to 2 decimal places. Okay. And that's it. So we solved for all 3 angles, and we know all 3 sides now. Have a great day.